What is the best Bible book for beginners? Okay, real talk. Have you ever picked up the Bible, flipped it open to a random page, and landed smack in the middle of a list of ancient genealogy or laws about fabric, and you just thought, yeah, I have no idea what's going on here? If so, you are so not alone. But what if I told you that starting in the right place makes all the difference? Why this matters. Starting the Bible can feel overwhelming. It's a big book, and jumping in at the wrong spot is like trying to watch a movie starting from the credits. It's confusing, and it's easy to just give up. But here's the secret: you don't have to start at page 1. There's a perfect starting point that's engaging, uplifting, and will totally change how you see the Bible. Teasing the 3 recommendations. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 3 book recommendations for beginners. We'll cover 1. The best overall starting point. It's the gospel that reads like an action movie. 2. The best book for wisdom and practical life tips. Short, powerful, and instantly applicable. 3. A surprising choice that's all about grace and a fresh start. By the end, you'll know exactly where to begin your journey and feel excited to open it up. Before we jump in, here's your quick win. Grab your Bible or a Bible app right now. Have it ready, because I'm not just going to tell you what to read, I'm going to show you why it's so powerful. Ready to find your perfect starting point? Let's get into it. Recommendation 1. The best overall starting point, the Gospel of Mark. First up, my number 1 recommendation for almost everyone, the Gospel of Mark. Hold up your Bible or point to the app. Why Mark? 3 reasons. 1. It's short and fast-paced. Mark uses the word immediately over 40 times. It reads like a highlight reel of Jesus' life, miracles, action, and incredible moments. You will not get bored. 2. It's a perfect introduction to Jesus. Who is he? What did he do? What did he teach? Mark answers all of this in a clear, straightforward way. 3. It ends with hope. The story doesn't end where you think it does. Your takeaway: if you read nothing else first, read Mark. It's only 16 chapters. You could easily read a chapter a day and finish it in just over 2 weeks. It's the perfect launchpad. Recommendation 2. The best for practical wisdom, the Book of Proverbs. Now, if you're thinking, I want something I can use in my daily life right now, then my second recommendation is for you, the Book of Proverbs. Friendly, practical tone. This isn't a story, it's a collection of wise, bite-sized sayings. It's like the ancient God-inspired version of life hacks. Struggling with your finances? Proverbs has advice. Dealing with a difficult relationship? Yep, it's in there. Need help making better decisions? Proverbs is your guide. Your takeaway: you don't have to read Proverbs in order. There are 31 chapters. Just read the chapter that corresponds with the day of the month. It's practical, non-intimidating, and instantly applicable. Recommendation 3. The surprising choice, the Book of John. My third recommendation is a surprising choice for some, but it's incredibly powerful, the Gospel of John. If Mark is the action story of Jesus, John is the heart story. It's deeply spiritual and focuses on who Jesus is, his identity, his love, his grace. John is filled with these beautiful I am statements where Jesus describes himself. I am the light of the world. I am the good shepherd. It's perfect if you're feeling lost, uncertain, or just want to understand God's love on a deeper level. Your takeaway: read John when you're ready to be amazed by grace and to really know the heart of God. It's a book that comforts and transforms, recap and encouragement. Start with Mark for the exciting story of Jesus. Dive into Proverbs for daily, practical wisdom. Soak in John for a deep look at God's love and grace. You cannot go wrong with any of these. The goal isn't to finish the Bible, it's to start a conversation with God. And any one of these books is a perfect first step. Closing, I'm so excited for you to start this journey. Remember, it's not about pressure, it's about connection. If this was helpful, hit the like button to help others find this guide. Subscribe for more simple, encouraging faith content. Comment below and tell me, which of these 3 are you going to start with? Mark, Proverbs, or John? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.